Yes, this is Rambira. Rambira, we are doing biodiversified maize farming. So we have just harvested beans. We are looking forward to harvest the maize. And also we have groundnuts. They are all over the place. We had a good rain season. The ground is very wet and all the plants are feeling good. Yeah. So these are the groundnuts. They are almost ready for harvest. Yeah. There's maize all over the place, all over the place, all over the place. Very good maize all over the place. Yeah. Maize all over the place. And the groundnuts as a cover crop all over the place. You have maize here. All over the place. All over, you can see the edge back there. The other side you can see the other edge there. So I'm just walking around to find out if the process of harvesting beans is complete. You can see that there's no beans anymore. They have all been harvested. And now we are waiting to harvest the maize and also the groundnuts. In the next 1 month or so we'll be harvesting maize and also going to be harvesting groundnuts. We also have our edges. You can see the lemongrass, which helps in soil conservation. Yeah, so they prevent runoff water from going away with nutrients, from sweeping away nutrients from one section to another. Yeah, you see the groundnuts here. Very nice, very bushy. It means that now they have already started to put the nuts on their feet. Of course, you can see the maize are doing very good. Yeah, doing very, very good here. They're all over the place. Doing very, very good. 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 Yeah. Oh my God, what is this? This is a bit funny. Yeah, it tried to produce so much that it could hold. There's one mature there. And there. I think this is a sort of a funny breed of maize or phenomena that try to produce almost 5 maize in one stem. That is a fun phenomenon, but at least you can see these ones producing 2. Yeah, some are producing 2, and they're both healthy. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, it's very good. Very good. Very, 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 very good. Groundnuts. A bit bushy. Oh, we also have the mulberries. The line has mulberries. And it has lemongrass. It also has some moringa plant. It's an edge that we are trying to build here. Also, this is the first edge. Also some lucina coming up down there. Then we also have lemongrass and some mulberries. And we also have the mulberry. Also had some moringa on the edge. This is a moringa here. On the edge you can see a moringa here. And there's a lucina plants there. They're growing. So this edge is going to have trees and lemongrass and fruits. yeah, and herbs like Lucina. So this is an integrated farm, an example of the annual biodiversified planting using regenerative design principles. Yeah, we use indigenous maize seeds about 7, indigenous beans about 7, and also indigenous groundnut seeds. So this is the end of the farm. There's a river down there. Yeah, the river down there, and a very big gully down there. So, and you can also see the lake. It's just beside the lake. Yeah, yeah. So that is it. So bye bye.